Hello all and welcome to our Crochet Designs. My name is Mary, coming to you with our 25,000 subscriber surprise. It's very, very exciting today, guys. Please bear with me. My voice is not well. My eyes are still a little bit fluey, but look, I am feeling literally 90% better today. So we're moving right along, guys. So I might cough and carry on between transitions and so on. But it doesn't matter because listen to me, it doesn't matter because this is a video that you guys need to be in to win a massive surprise today. Now, for those of you who didn't know this and you are new to our channel, firstly, welcome. Secondly, hit that subscribe button right now because that means that you can still enter this video right here, right now. You can still enter the surprise. We call it a surprise here on our channel, but it's actually a giveaway. We don't use the word giveaway because we don't want the nasties on our channel. We just want our wonderful crafters here on the channel. You guys, the subscribers, all 25,000 of you, plus now because, you know, I've been unwell and this should have happened last Friday. So I apologize for the delay, but when you're sick, you're sick. You can't do much about it. So she's very nasally, so she sounds really off, but don't worry about that, guys. Let's worry about what's happening today. Very, very exciting. Now, before we go and check out the prize, which is massive, by the way, guys, before we check out the prize, just letting you know, yes, I've been off air for a little while, probably only about a week really, or just under a week. So it hasn't been too bad, which is good. But I just wanted to let Yvonne and Nifty, our subscribers, two of our subscribers, who chose the last Live Antics colours. Now, if you didn't know this, guys, we have a thing called Live Antics here at Wow Crochet Designs, and we have our lives at 10 a.m. Saturday mornings, Melbourne, Australia time, and 4 p.m. Wednesday afternoon, Melbourne, Australia time. Marry that up with your country. But on the Saturday morning one at 10 a.m, we do a thing called Live Antics. All the names of the people who are on the live at that moment get put into a green hat. I pull out some names and they get to choose the colour combination of our next tutorial. So I've just got to remember who did what. Yvonne chose the light green. I did this the other day too and messed it up. And Nifty chose the red. And we're going to be creating our potpourri bags. Yeah. Potpourri, little bags, little small bags, not as big as that, yeah. Or we can put our little incense oil in there, or we could put a bar of soap in our bag. So you have an option to put whatever you want in your little bag, and we'll make it big enough so that you can fit a bar of soap in there. So it's very exciting, all right? So Nifty chose the red, Yvonne chose the light green. Just wanted to let the ladies know that that particular tutorial is coming this Friday. Only because I'm going to record it on Thursday and it'll be ready by Friday. And our hexagon cardigan, we're going to work on it next week, guys. So heads up there. Oh, and by the way, we will still have our live tomorrow at 4 p.m. As I'm starting to feel a little bit better, I think we can manage a live tomorrow. So keep that in mind, which is very exciting. I'll be recording the potpourri satchels, if you will, on Thursday, and they should hopefully go out on Friday. Before we go on, I just want to thank everyone who has subscribed to the channel, or 25,100 of you now, because I've taken so long to do this video, it's gone up again. I want to thank you so much. I don't know what to say. I'm kind of in awe of it all. I'm just like taken back. I thought I wouldn't get past 500. Once I got past 500, I thought I wouldn't get past 1,000, and then things just rolled from there. So thank you very much for those of you whom have not only subscribed, but shared, liked, commented, and just being a part of our lives as well, and being a part of anything. If you send me private messages, I love that too. I can't always answer them. Sometimes I give you a thumbs up, but if you send me the private messages, I love that too. I love it all. Everything that you as a subscriber does for us here at Wow Crochet Designs, oh, I'm going to start crying in a minute, makes us very happy. Moving right along, there are many ways that you can enter the surprise, okay? I'm just going to look down at my book because, it's all over the place. But I do want to let you know that we were supposed to do the surprise last Friday. So I've had to change the dates to suit. I will still give you a whole week to enter. 1 week to answer one question that you can put in the comment section down below of this video. So let's just talk quickly about that. little rules. Okay, just a few little rules. 1, you must be a subscriber. Oh, that's a given, really. 2, you must answer the question. Otherwise, well, that's pointless. Don't worry, the question's so easy. 3, you only get 1 entry. And 4, you must enter by the due time and date. And again, I give you the whole 7 days to enter. And I will also be posting that video on our community board post here at YouTube, Facebook as well. And I will be posting messages on Instagram. Now, these posts that you will see them daily on top of whatever else we are doing on the channel. You will see them daily until the giveaway or surprise is complete, because this gives you the option. If you don't answer today, you think, oh my gosh, I've missed out, bad luck, I've missed out. No, you have 7 full days. You don't have to rush in straight after this video goes up to answer. You can give yourself another day, or you can give yourself 2 days or 3 or 4 or 5. You have up to 7 days worth, and we'll talk about the time and date in a minute. But what I wanted to let you know real quickly is next week, when we do announce the winner, I'm going to repeat this next week as well, because I don't want this to happen, right? Well, I do want this to happen. I don't want bad things to happen, yeah? To receive your surprise, you need to check the announcement video or the date of the announcement video. We'll talk about that in a minute. Don't worry about it. But I just wanted to let you know, no matter what happens, if someone leaves a link in the comment section and says, click on this link because you've won, don't ever do that, guys. I never do that. I always leave information on the winner video, which will happen a week from today, and we'll talk about that in a minute again. I leave the information on that video of how you need to contact me. I will never contact you. I will never say to you, click on this link. I may, if I know you, because you're one of our regulars, which you would be because you're 25,000 subscriber people, right? I may message you and say, hey, I know you and you know me. Why don't you check out my video? I won't say you've won. I will never say that. I'll say, go check out the video. Go watch the video. Even if the picture looks like our channel, don't click on it. Okay, just heads up, because I never leave links to say you've won. Never, ever do that. All right, that's just something you need to know next week, which I will repeat next week as well, so don't worry about it. So without further ado, I would like for you to head over to the workstation and check out our gorgeous prize. Ta-da! Look at that, guys. Look at it. I have got the camera lens out so far away so that you can see it, and you can tell, because look where my hand is, right? It's supposed to be way up there. It's actually there. All right, now forget about my hand. Let's start. Let us start. Now we're going to start by down here first, because I did this recording before and missed 5 items. So there you go. So from here, from right to left, this is a little crochet hook case. You can put all your hooks, maybe some scissors, sewing needle, whatever you have there. I'm giving away one of, let's get it closer. I'm giving away one of our potpourri packs on purpose, because we are doing the potpourri bag this Thursday or Friday here on the channel. Now, here you have 1, 2, 3, 4 magazines, 4 different magazines, 2 of them fairly old, 1 of them right here, relatively new. Thank you very much. Over here, you have your Halloween buttons, just in time for Halloween, and coming up very soon. We also have stitch markers. They actually came in one of our magazines. I don't know which one. I can't remember, but they're yours. And here you have measuring tape for the young lady in your life, for the young man in your life, and also for yourself. So there you go. We also have our Kisslock purse right here. Now, we made Kisslock purses here on the channel. Check them out. Are they not simply divine? I love them so much. Keep in mind, guys, that we have not finished making Kisslock purses. We still have many more to create. So you actually have your own little frame that you can create with us. This guy right here is a handle bag that we are going to create also on the channel. We should have done that by now, but we still haven't, but there you go. So that's that. Coming back over here, we've got very large buttons. They call them clown buttons or something because they're relatively big. So there you go. And then we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hobby 8/8 cotton, 8/8 cotton. So it's an 8 ply DK weight cotton, if you will. And we have 5 in the white at the back. So there you go. And we also have our little Lavisa earrings here. Now these earrings, oh, here we go. Here's our earrings. Are they not simply divine? I love, love, love. Now this particular earrings here was made using this size. So keep that in mind when you win your prize. The smaller of the set you've got right here, we used to create this particular set of earrings. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Yes. All right. Coming right over here, we have our crochet hooks. Now, check these hooks out. Not just these. You've got a 6mm and a 4mm, but over here, you have, this came in a pack, yeah, one of the magazine packs. But check this out. You have a 2.5, a 3, a 3.5, and a 4. And there's only 2 hooks there. That's interesting because it's double-sided. The sizes are double-sided. How interesting is that? I love, love, love. And the next section is this particular yarn. It is the Prism yarn from Bendigo Woolen Mills. It is an 8-ply DK weight or a 3-weight yarn. We use the Prism yarn to create our gorgeous no frills, no rules tank top. Don't you love it? It's simply divine. I love, love, love. And you can create your top, because that's the only amount of yarn that I used for a size, we'll just call it 2 extra large, just for fun. For that length that you see in the picture right there, I used the whole 400 grams worth. So there you go. Keep that in mind. You might be able to create your own. What's this? I'm giving away my favourite colour of all time, the Love Heart Red Luxury 8-ply DK weight. 100% pure wool, yes. And it is our DK weight here in Australia, or 3-weight for those of you overseas. So I don't know whose arm you had to twist to get my favourite colour and my favourite luxury yarn from Bendigo in there. I don't know. And over here we have the Moonflower. That's a nice grey you can use. That's also a luxury. That's actually a 10-ply or an Aran weight or a 4-weight overseas. With this particular box that you see right here, that is this picture that you see up on the screen now. It is our V-stitch cowl. It is a pattern that is not on the channel. It's actually a 1 skein project, so bear that in mind. 1 skein, you get the pattern, you get the scissors, the sewing needle, the hook, the yarn, everything. It may not come in the box because, as you can see, the box is a little bit damaged from me throwing it around the room a bit. There you go. Oh, you get the little guy, little koala. Sure, why not? You get him. And you've got a project bag here. It's relatively big. It goes from there right down to the base of the table, so you can fit a large project in there. Yeah. You get the big Millens yarn that I bought not long ago from Spotlight. I showed you that on the channel. Why not? It's 400 grams worth. It is acrylic, but there you go. And down here you have 2 Abbey Roads. They, I believe, could be 12-ply. Not exactly sure. I did use a 5mm hook. I assumed it was a 10-ply or an Aran weight, but you know, you can play with the hook depending on your tension, yeah? And then we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Clequeton yarn. This is the yarn I used to use before moving to Bendigo, so I have plenty in stock of this, so occasionally I like to give it away. In front, oh, we've got the hooks already, we said that. Over here we have these 2 items here. They came from magazines like this. So they're free to me and free to you as well. And stuck in there, you have your Karen Cakes cotton. Keep your eyes peeled about the Karen Cakes cotton. We may be doing something on the channel in the future with that. Keep your eyes peeled. And right here, I wanted to show you a close-up of the actual yarn. Sorry about my hand there. It is, the reason I wanted to show you, because it's an extra fine merino, baby alpaca and mulberry silk blend. This yarn is so soft, it's not even half funny. Not that we're laughing at it, but it is so soft, it's gorgeous. And right at the back, you have your Hometown Lion Brand yarn, which is quite chunky to use, so there you go. And right over there, we have 3 skeins of our Karen Cakes here. There's one hidden at the back there. 3 skeins of the Karen Cakes. Can you believe all of this? No, you can't. You know why? You can't just believe that it's all that. It's not just all that. It's also a little fridge magnet that I give away with all my prizes, just as a bit of fun. Why not? And let's talk about that. Ta-da! Our Tim Tams, yes, our favourite Tim Tams, our favourite cookies, biscuits, whatever you want to call them here in Melbourne, Australia, or Australia in general, also goes into our pack right here, right now. Simply divine. Wow, super massive prize. How about that? Fantastic prize. I cannot believe I'm giving away one of my Love Heart red yarns from Bendigo. I cannot believe I'm giving that away. But anyway, we won't talk about that. Let's talk about what you need to do to enter this prize. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention earlier that I will ship anywhere around the world. Did I do a full round? I went further, a round and a half. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I will ship anywhere. And this is the information that you need to enter this prize. Super, super easy. Easy, easy, easy. All right. First thing, you must be a subscriber to enter. That's a given, really. So if you haven't subscribed, do it now. Look away. All good. You need to be a subscriber to enter. You need to answer the question, which I'm going to give you in one moment. Oh, by the way, quick heads up, the answer will be different for everyone, or even the same for some people. Doesn't matter. You need to enter only once. Yeah, only once. Enter by the due date and time. And what else? That's it. That's the information you need. Now, the due date and time, real quickly, you need to enter by 10 a.m. Tuesday morning, the 16th of July. Okay. After 10 a.m., I don't accept any entry. So make sure you enter by 10 a.m. But that's a whole week away to date. 1 week away, 7 days away. You can enter anytime. It doesn't have to be 5 minutes after I upload the video. Don't do that because you're rushing it. Take your time. Think about your answer, which will be very easy, by the way. And also, I will never leave a link in the comments section saying you've won. Click on this link. Remember that. I will never, ever do that. That's it. That's all you need to know. So what's the question I hear you ask? Super easy. No wrong answers. Get excited. The question is, what would you like to see Wow Crochet Designs create on the channel? What would you like to see create? I know what I'd like to create because I do anyway. I do what I like, as you do. But what would you like to see? No wrong answers. Put whatever answer you want in the comment section down below of this video. Get that answer down there by 10 a.m. Tuesday morning, the 16th of July. And then around 4 p.m.-ish, 4 p.m., 5 p.m., that kind of thing, I will upload the results and the winner video. All right. Super easy question. What would you like to see Wow Crochet Designs create on the channel? No wrong answer at all. I told you the question was going to be easy, and I thought, well, that's the best question I can think of right now. So what would you like to see us create on the channel? Leave your entry in the comment section down below this video by 10 a.m. Tuesday morning on the 16th of July, and return back here around 4 p.m. on the same day, and I will upload the results video. Way too exciting. Easy, easy, easy. Thank you for watching, guys. And once again, we'll be doing our potpourri little satchel bag thing on Friday. It'll be uploaded. So Thursday I'll be recording it. Friday it'll be uploaded. And then you will see the hexagon cardigan the week later. All right. Thank you very much for joining us. My name is Mary. This is Wow Crochet Designs. All you need to do is answer the question. Super duper easy question. What would you like to see us create on the channel here at Wow Crochet Designs? Ciao for now. Happy 25,000 subscribers. Bye all.